Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum. Dave, what can people expect as we head into this weekend?
Well, we're going to be dodging a couple thunderstorms. Some of you today, some of you tomorrow. Looks like Sunday not bad, but maybe more of us on Monday. Right now, though, we've seen a few light rain showers here downtown. You can see from our BJCC camera, the sunshine's trying to peek back out. 81 degrees now. The dew point in the upper 60s. It'll be humid this weekend. Heat index coming into 84 degrees right now. And you can see some of those showers heading to Jefferson County here, back over toward Bibb County and Tuscaloosa County, a few in Marion and Lamar counties as well. Temperatures in the lower 80s in town, but you saw to the south. Temperatures near 90 near Demopolis. But we're tracking one little storm here not too far away from Lakeview. It's falling apart quickly as it moves off to the east. So that is some good news here. We'll go ahead and stop this here and give you a little bit of a track on it and just kind of show you here as the storm moves off there to the east here, roughly around 30 miles per hour, kind of giving you over toward Lakeview around 448, over toward Concord there right around, say, 454. Hueytown around 458 for you, Bessemer around 503, and here in the Birmingham area, maybe just after the 5 o'clock hour there. So again, if it holds together, we'll continue tracking that one for you here. Otherwise, some light rain showers up near Gardendale, back over towards Summerton area, headed toward Trussville, a little bit of some of those showers back toward Leeds. All this light rain. I'm tracking another storm that was severe, but watch what happens. It's more or less gone away. It's going in the wake of this first storm, and so the atmosphere is more stable and not favorable for those storms to continue. But we could see a few more of these developing here from the northwest as we go forward through the rest of the afternoon. There's an old outflow boundary, kind of mini cold front coming in from the north from bigger storms earlier this morning. As that pushes to the south, new storms kind of developing right along the I-22 corridor in Mississippi, and they could work their way into central Alabama here throughout the rest of the evening hours. And that's where there is a risk of severe weather. Level 2 over northwest Alabama, level 1 for us here. Damaging winds and hail, the biggest threats for us with these thunderstorms, along with some downpours. We'll have to keep an eye out for that. So for the SEC baseball game here, the one wrapping up in the next game this evening with Mississippi State and Tennessee on deck, we are looking at 87 at 5 o'clock, down to 77 by 9 o'clock. Still around a 30-40% chance for maybe some storms, so we have to keep an eye out for that. Tomorrow, chance of rain 40%, 20% Sunday, up to 60% Monday as the front comes in, and then we dry out as we head to the middle part of next week. Tomorrow's severe weather threat, the greatest back into Kansas and Oklahoma tornadoes. For us, still a little bit of a threat here. Level 1, low threat for some damaging winds and hail, so we'll keep an eye out for some of those storms on Saturday. Sunday, it's Sunday night into Monday, really, when we have a chance of maybe some stronger storms coming in with that front I was talking about, giving us that increased chance for rain for Monday. So the initial storm kind of dissipates here. Models having a hard time handling these popping up of storms. Could see a few more developing here off to the west and then kind of building in by 11 o'clock tonight. Then maybe a little low, but we're going to watch another cluster to the north. That'll build in tomorrow morning. If this holds true, could bring us some strong storms tomorrow morning. The bulk of this gets out of here by lunchtime in the city, down toward Brent and Clanton by lunchtime there. Then maybe some new storms developing off to our southwest. Then a little break in the afternoon, evening for Saturday and Sunday. Looks to be pretty good. We'll start with some clouds and fog in 70s. And how about temperatures in the 90s on Sunday? It's going to be a hot one out there as we head toward that Memorial Day weekend. So 88 Saturday, 91 Sunday, fewer storms, if any at all, and 60% chance Monday. Again, Sunday night and Monday, we need to keep an eye out for the Monday morning time frame for some of those storms popping up across the area. Rain totals could be around 3/4 of an inch here, so we'll keep an eye out for that. The other issue is going to be the heat. Heat index near 96 Sunday and Monday, so keep an eye out for that. Now, if you're going to the beach, well, it looks to be pretty good out there, pretty dry, even through Monday. I would say the rip current risk increasing Sunday and Monday. Temperatures there will be into the 80s. So recapping again, watch for those strong to possibly severe storms as we go forward throughout the rest of the evening tonight and again on Saturday. So again, not going to be widespread, but we do get some that could produce some hail and gusty winds. There's the heat and humidity of Sunday. Monday, again, some storms for Memorial Day. And then after that, becoming less humid. Temperatures still warm in the mid-80s. It is going to be May, it is the end of May after all. How about lows, though? Lower 60s, some of you in the 50s? That sounds pretty nice.